Welcome to our overview on the four industrial revolutions. Each revolution has had major impacts on our society. This micro-learning video will review each revolution so you can gain an understanding on each revolution and its impacts on society. Here we go. We're going on a journey back in time to the very beginning. The first industrial revolution spanned roughly from the late 18th to the early 19th century and marked a significant shift in the way goods were produced, economies operated, and societies functioned. It was characterized by the widespread adoption of mechanized manufacturing processes, the development of new technologies, and the transition from agrarian and craft-based economies to industrialized ones. Here's an overview of key aspects. 1. Mechanization and machinery. The introduction of mechanized machinery replaced traditional manual labor, significantly boosting productivity. Innovations such as the spinning jenny, water frame, and steam engine revolutionized textile production and other industries. 2. Textile industry transformation. The cotton industry saw remarkable advancements with the mechanization of spinning and weaving processes, leading to the creation of textile factories. Factories emerged as centers of production, changing the way people worked. 3. Steam power. The invention and refinement of the steam engine by figures like James Watt played a pivotal role in powering machinery and enabling the development of factories, steamships, and locomotives. This facilitated faster transportation and more efficient production. 4. Urbanization. The shift from rural agricultural communities to urban centers was a hallmark of the first industrial revolution. People moved to cities in search of employment opportunities in factories and industries, leading to the growth of urban areas. 5. Transportation revolution. The construction of canals and later, the development of railways transformed transportation and trade. Goods could be transported more quickly and at lower costs, facilitating the movement of raw materials and finished products. 6. Changes in labor. Factory work and mechanization led to the creation of a new labor force, often working long hours in challenging conditions. Child labor and poor working conditions sparked debates and eventually led to labor reforms. 7. Economic shifts. The industrialization process spurred economic growth and the accumulation of wealth. It also contributed to the emergence of a capitalist economic system, with entrepreneurs and industrialists driving innovation and production. 8. Impact on society. The first industrial revolution brought about significant social changes. Traditional societal structures were altered with urbanization and factory work, disrupting established ways of life. It also fueled debates on issues like workers' rights, child labor, and economic inequality. 9. Technological advancements. Alongside textile and steam innovations, other technologies like iron production, improved machinery, and more efficient production processes played crucial roles in driving industrialization. 10. Global impact. While the first industrial revolution began in Britain, it eventually spread to other parts of Europe and North America, impacting economies and societies on a global scale. In essence, the first industrial revolution laid the groundwork for subsequent waves of industrialization, transforming economies, societies, and daily life. It set the stage for further technological advancements and fundamentally reshaped the way goods were produced and exchanged. Let's move on and learn about the Second Industrial Revolution. Fast forward to the Second Industrial Revolution, taking place between the late 19th and early 20th centuries. This era saw the birth of mass production and assembly lines, thanks to the advent of electrical power. It was a time of incredible advancement, with society beginning to truly feel the impacts of industrialization. Here's an overview of key aspects. 1. Electrification and mass production. Electricity emerged as a dominant source of power, enabling the widespread adoption of electric lighting, communication systems, and electric motors. This facilitated the expansion of industries and the development of assembly line techniques, leading to mass production. 2. Steel and heavy industry. The Bessemer process, which allowed the mass production of steel, revolutionized construction, transportation, and machinery. The growth of heavy industry, including steel production and machinery manufacturing, further propelled economic development. 3. Chemical and petroleum industries. Innovations in the chemical sector, including the development of synthetic dyes and fertilizers, contributed to the growth of new industries. Additionally, the utilization of petroleum for fuel, lubricants, and plastics had a profound impact on various sectors. 4. Transportation advancements. The Second Industrial Revolution saw the rise of automobiles and airplanes. Henry Ford's assembly line techniques revolutionized car manufacturing, making automobiles more affordable and accessible. Airplanes introduced a new era of rapid long-distance travel. 5. Communication and information technology. Telegraphs and telephones transformed communication, allowing people to communicate over long distances more quickly than ever before. The invention of the radio further revolutionized mass communication and entertainment. 6. Urbanization and migration. The growth of industries and economic opportunities led to increased urbanization and migration. Cities expanded rapidly, accommodating the influx of people seeking work in factories and other industries. 7. Labor movements and workers' rights. The harsh working conditions of factories and concerns about workers' rights led to the emergence of labor movements and unions. Strikes and protests sought to address issues such as long working hours, low wages, and unsafe conditions. 8. Scientific research and innovation. The Second Industrial Revolution was marked by increased emphasis on scientific research and innovation. Universities and research institutions played a key role in driving technological advancements and discoveries. 10. Global expansion and imperialism. The economic and technological developments of the Second Industrial Revolution contributed to the expansion of European powers' influence around the world. Imperialism and colonization were often driven by the desire to access resources and new markets. 11. Impact on society and culture. The changes brought about by the Second Industrial Revolution had profound social and cultural effects. It led to shifts in lifestyle, urban planning, and the emergence of a consumer culture. 12. Inventions and innovators. The period saw the rise of notable inventors and innovators like Thomas Edison, electric light bulb, Nikola Tesla, alternating current, and the Wright brothers, airplane, among others. In summary, the Second Industrial Revolution was marked by an acceleration of technological advancements, widespread electrification, the growth of heavy industries, improved transportation systems, and significant shifts in society and culture. Let's move on and learn about the Third Industrial Revolution. The Third Industrial Revolution, also known as the Digital Revolution, took us into the era of computers and automation. From the mid-20th century onwards, we saw a shift from analog and mechanical devices to digital technology. This transformed not just industries, but how we live and interact on a daily basis. Here's an overview of key aspects. 1. Digital technology and computing. The development of microprocessors and integrated circuits paved the way for the miniaturization of computers, making them more accessible and affordable. This led to the proliferation of computing devices and the foundation for digitalization. 2. Internet and communication. The creation of the Internet and the World Wide Web revolutionized global communication and information sharing. People could now connect, communicate, and access information from anywhere in the world. 3. Information and data revolution. The digitalization of information allowed for the storage, processing, and sharing of vast amounts of data. This led to advancements in fields such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. 4. Telecommunications advancements. The development of faster and more efficient telecommunications technologies, including broadband internet and mobile networks, facilitated real-time communication and multimedia sharing. 5. E-commerce and online services. The rise of e-commerce platforms transformed retail and business models. Online shopping, digital marketplaces, and various online services became integral parts of the economy. 6. Automation and robotics. The third industrial revolution saw advancements in automation and robotics, impacting industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare. Robots and automated systems began to perform tasks traditionally done by humans. 7. Globalization and outsourcing. The ease of communication and digital workflows enabled companies to outsource tasks and services to locations around the world, leading to increased globalization of labor and markets. 8. Social media and networking. The emergence of social media platforms revolutionized how people connect, share, and interact. Social networking became a fundamental aspect of modern communication and information dissemination. 9. Entertainment and media. Digital technologies transformed the entertainment industry, leading to the digitization of music, movies, books, and other forms of media. Streaming services and digital content distribution gained prominence. 10. Cybersecurity and privacy concerns. As digital systems became more integrated into daily life, concerns about cybersecurity, data breaches, and privacy emerged as significant challenges to address. 11. Innovation and startups. The digital revolution paved the way for rapid innovation and the rise of startups. Lower barriers to entry in the tech sector allowed entrepreneurs to develop and launch new products and services more easily. 12. Education and knowledge sharing. Online learning platforms and educational resources became more accessible, transforming traditional education models and enabling lifelong learning. In summary, the third industrial revolution ushered in an era of digital transformation, characterized by the integration of digital technologies into virtually all aspects of life. The internet and digital platforms reshaped communication, information sharing, commerce, and even social interactions. It laid the groundwork for further advancements in artificial intelligence, automation, and the ongoing evolution of technology-driven changes in society. Let's move on and learn about the fourth industrial revolution. Now we're standing on the brink of the fourth industrial revolution. This revolution is characterized by a fusion of technologies that blur the lines between physical, digital, and biological spheres. It's about the cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, and the Internet of Systems. The fourth industrial revolution, often abbreviated as 4IR, builds upon the foundations set by the previous industrial revolutions and is characterized by the convergence of digital, physical, and biological technologies. Here's an overview of key aspects. 1. Technological convergence. The fourth industrial revolution blurs the lines between physical, digital, and biological technologies. Innovations in fields like AI, EOT, biotechnology, nanotechnology, and renewable energy are intertwining to create transformative changes. 2. Artificial intelligence and automation. AI is playing a central role in this revolution, enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Automation is expanding into various industries, changing the way work is done and improving efficiency. 3. Internet of Things, EOT. The EOT involves connecting everyday objects to the Internet, allowing them to collect and exchange data. This leads to smart environments where devices communicate and respond to each other's data. 4. Big data and analytics. The fourth industrial revolution generates enormous amounts of data. Advanced analytics and machine learning are used to extract valuable insights from this data, influencing decision-making and strategy across sectors. 5. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biotech advancements have the potential to transform healthcare, agriculture, and more. Genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and regenerative therapies are reshaping how we approach health and well-being. 6. Renewable energy and sustainability. Innovations in energy storage, renewable sources, and sustainable technologies are addressing environmental challenges. This revolution places a stronger emphasis on reducing carbon footprints and adopting eco-friendly practices. 7. Blockchain technology. Blockchain offers secure, transparent, and decentralized ways of recording transactions. It has applications beyond cryptocurrency, including supply chain management, digital identity verification, and more. 8. Human-machine interaction. Interfaces like virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are enhancing human interaction with technology. These technologies find applications in fields like entertainment, education, and even employee training. 9. Global connectivity and access. Advancements in communication technologies are connecting people around the world, including those in remote areas. This connectivity accelerates the dissemination of information and ideas. 10. Challenges and considerations. The fourth industrial revolution brings concerns about job displacement due to automation, data privacy, cybersecurity vulnerabilities, ethical considerations in AI, and the potential for increasing inequality. 11. Innovation ecosystems. The 4IR encourages collaboration among various stakeholders, including governments, academia, businesses, and startups. Innovation hubs and ecosystems are emerging to foster cross-disciplinary collaboration. 12. Reskilling and upskilling. As automation changes the nature of work, there's a growing need for reskilling and upskilling the workforce to ensure they're equipped for the jobs of the future. This revolution has the potential to reshape industries, economies, and societies on a global scale, while also presenting challenges that require careful consideration and proactive solutions. Let's review what we have learned about the 4 industrial revolutions. First Industrial Revolution, late 18th to early 19th century. Introduction of mechanized manufacturing and steam power. Transformation of textile industry and growth of factories. Urbanization, shift to factory work, and changes in labor. Significant societal and economic changes. Second Industrial Revolution, mid-19th to early 20th century. Emergence of electricity, steel, and heavy industry. Advances in transportation, including automobiles and airplanes. Rise of communication technologies like telephones and radio. Deepening urbanization, labor movements, and globalization. Third Industrial Revolution, late 20th century. Digitalization, microprocessors, and computing technologies. Creation of the Internet, leading to global connectivity. Growth of e-commerce, automation, and robotics. Revolution in communication, entertainment, and information. Fourth Industrial Revolution, 21st century. Convergence of digital, physical, and biological technologies. Dominance of AI, EOT, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Focus on sustainability, renewable energy, and eco-friendly practices. Challenges of automation, data privacy, and ethical considerations. Each revolution brought its own set of innovations, transformations, and societal impacts, ultimately shaping the modern world and setting the stage for ongoing technological advancements. The fourth revolution is impacting society in ways we're only just beginning to understand. It's changing how we work, how we live, and how we relate to one another. It's a revolution that's happening at exponential speed, and it's reshaping every industry in every country. But with every challenge comes opportunity. The fourth revolution is opening up new possibilities for innovation and progress. It's enabling us to solve complex problems, improve productivity, and create a more sustainable world. In the coming years, the fourth industrial revolution will continue to evolve and impact our world in ways we can't even imagine. It's a thrilling, yet daunting time to be alive. But, as we've learned from the past, with change comes growth. And as we navigate this new era, we'll continue to adapt, innovate, and overcome. Thank you for watching this video on the 4 industrial revolutions. This video is brought to you by Disruptive Lion Learning, a leader in innovative learning.